Module 6, Advanced Topics. Digital illustration for animation and motion graphics. Digital illustration plays a significant role in animation and motion graphics. Here are some ways digital illustration is used in these fields. 1. Character design. Digital illustrations are used to create unique and visually appealing characters for animation and motion graphics. These characters are often designed to be flexible and adaptable for various animations and movements. 2. Storyboarding. Digital illustrations are used to create storyboards, which are visual representations of a story or animation. Storyboards help to plan the animation and ensure that the sequence of events is clear and effective. 3. Backgrounds and environments. Digital illustrations are used to create detailed backgrounds and environments for animations and motion graphics. These backgrounds help to create an immersive world for the characters to inhabit. 4. Motion graphics. Digital illustrations can be animated to create motion graphics. These graphics are often used in commercials, explainer videos, and other forms of video content. 5. Textures and effects. Digital illustrations can be used to create textures and effects in animation and motion graphics. For example, illustrations can be used to create the look of fur, water, or fire. Overall, digital illustration is an essential tool in creating high-quality animation and motion graphics. Illustration styles and techniques. Illustration styles and techniques are diverse and can vary greatly depending on the artist's preference and the intended purpose of the illustration. Here are some common illustration styles and techniques. 1. Traditional. This style involves traditional art techniques such as pencil, pen and ink, watercolor, and oil painting. 2. Digital. This style involves creating illustrations using digital tools such as drawing tablets, digital pens, and software programs such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Procreate. 3. Flat design. This style is characterized by simple shapes, bold colors, and minimal detail. It is often used in graphic design and user interface design. 4. Realistic. This style aims to replicate real-life objects or scenes with great detail and accuracy. 5. Cartoon. This style involves exaggerated and simplified shapes, bold outlines, and vibrant colors. It is often used in animation, comics, and children's books. 6. Line art. This style involves creating illustrations using only lines and no shading. It can be used to create a minimalist or graphic look. 7. Mixed media. This style combines traditional and digital techniques to create unique and textured illustrations. 8. Collage. This style involves using cutout images and textures from various sources to create a new image. It is often used in editorial illustration and advertising. 9. Hand lettering. This style involves creating illustrated lettering or typography, often with a hand-drawn look. These are just a few of the many illustration styles and techniques that exist. The choice of style and technique depends on the artist's preference and the intended purpose of the illustration. Advanced digital illustration tools and software. Advanced digital illustration tools and software provide more sophisticated features and capabilities for professional illustrators and designers. Some popular advanced tools and software for digital illustration include: 1. Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor used to create logos, typography, and illustrations. It offers advanced tools for drawing and designing vector-based graphics with precise control over paths, shapes, and colors. 2. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor used for editing and manipulating digital images. It offers advanced tools for painting, compositing, and retouching images with extensive control over color, tone, and texture. 3. Procreate. Procreate is a digital painting and drawing app for iPad and iPhone. It offers advanced tools for creating art, including brushes, textures, and layers, as well as advanced features for animation and video editing. 4. CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a vector graphics editor used for designing logos, illustrations, and layouts. It offers advanced tools for drawing and designing vector-based graphics, including tools for typography, color management, and page layout. 5. Clip Studio Paint. Clip Studio Paint is a digital painting and illustration software for manga, comics, and animation. It offers advanced tools for drawing and coloring, as well as tools for creating 3D models, animations, and special effects. 6. Autodesk Sketchbook. Autodesk Sketchbook is a digital painting and drawing app used for creating illustrations, sketches, and paintings. It offers advanced tools for creating natural-looking art, including brushes, textures, and layers, as well as advanced features for animation and perspective drawing. 7. Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer is a vector graphics editor used for creating logos, illustrations, and layouts. It offers advanced tools for drawing and designing vector-based graphics, including tools for typography, color management, and page layout, as well as features for exporting designs to other formats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.